What if I told you that in 2022, stablecoin settlement volume actually outdid that of both the volume of Mastercard and American Express? You'd probably think I was crazy, right? But that's what has happened in 2022. And in fact, stablecoin settlements are expected to reach about $8 trillion over 2022. Now, it is anticipated that this number could actually top all credit card companies by the end of 2023. I'm talking Visa, Mastercard, Discover, American Express, all these combined. This is something to watch. You can see the chart here and how this adoption has occurred over time and continues to go up as we move forward into the future. Now, it's important to note that these are two different things. It's apples and oranges, okay? Mastercard and Discover volumes are sourced from consumer spending. On-chain volume is sourced from investor speculation. So these stablecoin settlements have to do with the buying and selling of assets in crypto. Now, where this could get a little interesting and this narrative could change a little bit is with Republican Senator Pat Toomey's stablecoin bill that he's trying to have passed. Now, this bill is supposed to propose to permit non-state and non-bank institutions to issue stablecoins, as long as they obtain a federal license created and issued by the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, and as backed up by high liquidity or high quality liquid assets. Geez. Now, for example, something like Cardano and their stablecoin that they've announced they want to release USDA, this is a regulatory compliant fiat-backed stablecoin. This is where we could see the merging of the crypto world and the consumer spending world start to merge. This could be huge, okay? There are lots of options when it comes to crypto spending, whether that be, credit cards that use, crypto as something to spend, or whether we're talking about crypto pay rail systems like FlexiPay or Alchemy Pay, right? Those are options that offer that as a solution. If this does get passed and you start to see this bridge happen, putting people in control of their money and their spending habits will seem like a great solution. Okay, not to mention the lower fees that come with these pay rail systems. Most credit card companies, they have a fee anywhere between 3% to 5%. I think FlexiPay, if I remember correct, is like 0.5%. It could be a no-brainer option for these companies that want to accept this as an option. And what people don't realize too is some of the integration of these crypto pay rail systems, it's click and or point and click. That's all it is. For example, I've followed FlexiPay for quite some time. This isn't promoting FlexiPay or anything like that. It integrates with current NCR payment systems, which are in Walmart, Target. You actually take a look next time you look at like when you're signing for your like using your credit card, right? Take a look at the brand of the POS system. That's what it's, POS system. Take a look at the brand of that. It's likely able to be integrated with these current pay rail systems. Crypto adoption into the consumer lifestyle is going to be coming at a rate which people do not expect. And it may be coming sooner than you think, possibly even 2023. So as always, we appreciate you guys stopping out here on the ClearCryptos channel. Do make sure you show your support. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to see you in the next one.